We're back, and thanks for sticking with us again. We have our little crate here. If you watched the other videos, you would have seen the lead up to it. And what we're doing is a multi-tray pack. Each of these pieces is going to go inside of this crate, and each of these pieces will get placed on its own tray. Just like before, you're going to take one of the trays and place it inside the crate. You can see I've already glued in some of the foam on the bottom and on the side, so we can test fit all the other foam beforehand. Make sure everything's fitting in there the way we like it, and it does. So we'll go ahead, keep that guy there right now, and start gluing up. The next steps are going to be foaming out each of these pieces on its individual tray. Because this is the largest piece, you'll see that the tray, all the trays, are made to the size of that piece. We have all of our art now placed on each of their individual trays. When we place these trays inside the crate, we're going to go smallest to largest, okay? And that's really important to be aware of. I'm just going to shut up for a little while and just start gluing, and just pay attention to what I'm doing, and I'll do less talking and more showing. And on all of these, I've already pre-cut the foam, just so you can get an idea of what this process is when you are foaming out a tray. Putting a little dab on there. What we're not doing is putting a whole pile of foam and glue on these pieces. You can also remove the piece and just glue your foam down if you don't feel comfortable handling the hot glue around the art. I've just been doing it so long that I'm pretty comfortable doing it this way. Okay, so that's one down. When you glue the foam, you see I'm always rubbing my hand alongside of it. There's a smooth side and a rough side. You always want the smooth side touching the art. You see I'm only doing just a little bit of glue. You don't need so much glue that it goes all over the place. And like I've said previously, this glue adheres really fast and really well. And since this piece is the tray size, it doesn't get anything. It just gets the lid put on, just like that. Okay? And so when you put all these things together, this is what they will be doing inside of that crate, just like that. And these pieces go here and here, and they make up the additional space. So let's go ahead and glue these down. Now we'll begin placing them inside the crate. Nice and snug. Now, some of you may wonder why I don't have foam all around. That's so you can actually pick the piece up. You have to have a place for your fingers to go. And that's what these gaps are for. When it's time to remove the piece, you grab it there. You take it out. You can also put it back in there just as easily. Just like that. And then here goes this dude. You think about that, huh? Yeah? You know, look familiar? I don't know who that dude is. Wait, he needs to go in the crate too. And then that's that. We have successfully packed all three works inside of this pretty little crate. All right, they're all in here, they're all snug, and they are going nowhere. All right, we know because we took video of everything. So if anything's rattling around, we would know. I didn't hear anything. But I want to thank you again for sticking with us while we, go through the steps of how to do this. And then this is what we ended up with. Okay. And you take top lid off, and then you got that dude. And behind this picture are two others, packed and in there, and they aren't going anywhere. Alrighty. So unless we have anything else to cover, I think we about got it. And thanks again, and stay tuned because we will be covering the ride flat next, and we'll be packing up the same 3 works again. All right.